the number one problem with working agreements is that there are usually too many. So it is difficult to remember them all, and therefore it's also difficult to internalize them, especially when it comes to an event like PI planning, which only takes place once every 3 months. So a routine can obviously not develop. Digital whiteboard tools in particular are brilliant for the flexibility they offer, but it is precisely this flexibility that forces us to establish even more working agreements in order to maintain consistency in PI planning. The best example is which color is used for which sticky type. PI Planning I/O combines flexibility with structure. In the RTE Cockpit, you can easily define which sticky color corresponds to which sticky type. This keeps all boards 100% consistent across all teams and helps to prevent misunderstandings. This is only one example how PI Planning I/O helps reduce the number of working agreements, so your team members have a fair chance of remembering the relevant ones. Are you ready to lower the need for working agreements? Go to trial.piplanning.io and start your free trial.